Right, 4-2. Service goes to Rautpur player Suresh. 4-2. Rautpur points 4 and Guma points 2. This is a magic game. Rautpur versus Guma's match. Afternoon match, second match. Sanjay versus Chito. Four two. Wow, shot. What a take in. Match is running very cool. Weather is cool. Game is cool. But players are very seriously. What a shot. Rautpur versus Guma match. Rautpur points 4. Guma points 2. Two team players are playing well. Yes. This is a challenging game. Gumas. What a shots. What a takens. What? Right, 5-4. Service goes to Rautpur. Points 5-4. 5-4. 5-2. 0. Sorry, 5-2. Rautpur 5 points. And Gumas 2 points. 5-2. Match is running. Afternoon match, second match. Guma versus Rautpur. Rautpur captain Sanjay and Guma's captain Chitos. This is a challenging game. This goes to Gumas player. Right, 2-5. Gumas 2 points and Rautpur 5 points. Game is running. What are playing players? This is a affecting play. Right, 3-5. Guma's points. 3-5. Service goes to Guma. Service goes to Guma 4-5. Guma's points 4. Rautpur points 5. Points saman. Points are equal 5-5. Guma's 5 and Rautpur 5. Service goes to Guma. What a match. This is a, I think, tension match. 5-5 equal points. What a rising Guma's players. Goes to Rautpur captain Sanjay Sabar. 5-5, 5 equal. 5 saman. Punch. 50-50. What a taken. 5 points. Gumas point 5 and Rautpur point 5. Match is very tension. Very interesting, challenging game. Yes. Afternoon match. This is second match. क्या शॉट है भाई? What a taken. 6-5. Service goes to Rautpur captain Sanjay Sabar. 6-5. Rautpur point 6. Gumas points 5. Match is running. A good match. Interesting match. Yes. What a match. What a taken. Yes. Interesting game. 6-5. Who is when? Chito, Gumas captain. Sanjay, Rautpur captain. Gumas points 5. Rautpur points 6. Match is continued. Yes. What a playing. What a technique. Yes. Rautpur players are playing as well. Banus, Mohans, Sanjay, Suresh, Vinod, Uttam. This is big game, big players. What a taken. What a shot. Yes. 6-5, 6 points Rautpur, 5 points Guma. Match running. What a taken by Guma's captain Chito. Yes. What a game. This afternoon second match Rautpur versus Gumas. This is challenging game. The interesting game. What a taken. Yes. Good game. Weather is good. So cool. Right, service goes to Rautpur captain Sanjay Sabar, 7-5. Rautpur point 7. And Gumas 5. 7-5. Wow. 7-5. Rautpur point 7. Gumas point 5. Service goes to Rautpur. Match is running. What a match this afternoon. Very interesting match. All players, two teams players playing well. What a technique game. This is a Daba volleyball from Rautpur. Right, Gumas player Vinod service 5-7. Gumas 5 points. And Rautpur 7 points. What a shot by Arvind. 5-7. Court is change. Players playing well. 5-7. Match is continued. Very interesting game. Gumas and Rautpur players. 5-7 points. Rautpur 7 points. Gumas 5 points. Chito versus Sanjay. Chito Gumas captain. Sanjay Rautpur captain. The big war, I think. This is second match, afternoon match. Rautpur village, ground name is village and Rautpur. What a shot, but what a taken. Yes, players are well playing. What a game. 7-5. What a game. Everyone player is playing as well. Two team players. Super playing. Yes. Rautpur point 7. Gumas 0.5. Playing afternoon match. What a match. What a shot. What a shot. Yes. Afternoon match. 7-5 points. 7-5. Yeah. Service goes to Rautpur. Player Mohan. 7-5. 7-5. Rautpur 0.7. Gumas 0.5. Match is running. What a playing placements. The Rautpur impact player, Mr. Banu. And Gumas impact player, Chito. Yes. Two teams playing this afternoon, Gumas and Rautpur. What a match. What a game. Afternoon match. 7-5. Rautpur 7 points, Gumas 5 points. Match is running. Right, 5-7. Service goes to Gumas player. Five, 7. Guma 5 points. Rautpur 7 points. Service goes to Guma. Yes, what a place. Two teams netters is very good playing. What a match. Afternoon match, second match, Gumas versus Rautpur. Sanjay versus Chito. Weather is very hot. Match is very hot. What a place. Good game. Wow. 7-5. Service goes to Rautpur player Suresh. 7-5. 7 points Rautpur, 7 points. Gumas 5 points. Match is continued. What a game. Yes. Afternoon match. Weather is very hot. Village name Rautpur. This is Rautpur ground. Match Rautpur versus Guma. Rautpur captain Sanjay Sabar, Gumas captain Chito. Second match. Points Rautpur 0.7. Gumas 0.5. Match running. What a match. Yes. Good game. Yes. What a technique.